Hi, I'm Dorothy Kramer, Managing Editor for Hospitality Technology Magazine. We're here at the 10th Annual Hotel Technology Forum. With me is David Barbieri, Senior Vice President and CIO of Red Lion Hotels. David is here to accept the Visionary Award for his company's complete rewrite of their websites. David, could you tell us a little bit about what this initiative meant for Red Lion?
Yeah, you bet. First of all, thank you for the opportunity for the recognition. And for me and for the company, it's a really big deal for us. The customer-facing efforts that we make matter most, and we put together a great team of people that deserve recognition for the effort that they put in. So I think about this project from a few different points of view, innovation obviously, but also the collaboration and the results that we had out of it. When we finished the project, you could look at this cross-functional team between business and IT, development, sales, marketing, distribution. It was really difficult to tell who was from what department by the end of the project, which was really an interesting thing and a fun thing, I think, for the entire team. So a lot of innovation that went on, a lot of collaboration, and the net results have been better than what we would have expected.
Wonderful. Well, it seemed like a worthwhile initiative that's panned out well for you guys. You're also pulling double duty here at HTF. You're doing a session tomorrow on loyalty. Can you tell us what you think some of the key takeaways for attendees that you hope that they'll take away from that session?
Sure. The loyalty aspects of what we did actually with our websites played a big role in the success of that. And so, I think loyalty is about what the customer needs, not what we need as organizations or companies or brands. And that was the direction that we took when we started the development of our websites. It was an interesting, actually, innovation. My development director, who definitely deserves a call out on this, Brian Hopkins, did an amazing job, came to me and he said he wanted to go dark for 6 months and rewrite our booking engine from scratch with a consumer-facing design. So he went back to the drawing board, looked at the way that consumers interact with websites, put his own consumer hat on, and thought about the way that he interacts with loyalty programs outside of the travel industry. And the results, I guess the results speak for themselves, but it was a really interesting project. And I guess I'm glad that I'm running or co-running the session on loyalty and OTAs, because it has been something that's been near and dear to our hearts for a while now.
Wonderful. It's an interesting point to think about what the customer really wants and not what you think what they want. What else are you looking forward to learning at this conference? Are there any other initiatives or technology that you're looking to find here at the Hotel Technology Forum?
I think there's two things that I always look forward to for this conference. One is the interaction with my peers. I think the conference is exactly the right size to have that interaction with a broad number of people without feeling overwhelmed. So that piece I look forward to. The technology study that you put together, that HT puts together, is always an amazing effort. I always walk away impressed. I always walk away having learned something, and I'm always happy to have been here just for that.
Great. Well, wonderful. We're thrilled to have you here. Congratulations again on your win, and enjoy the conference.
Thank you so much.